Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Perfectly Beautiful. Today's tutorial is going to be on this gorgeous hair. You guys, it looks so realistic. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not some real Brazilian hair or something. It is so gorgeous, you guys. If you're interested in knowing how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. Also, you guys, it would be so great if you could subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your family members and your friends. Enjoy! So, today's review is going to be on another Harlem125 wig, you guys. This one is in the style FLS11, and it's also a color 1B. Okay. So this is the wig, and it's so pretty. Yeah, they've got some nice short baby hair. They're at the right length, but they're all across the perimeter. If you like, you can just pull out a few or either pluck them. Please don't just pull them all out and paste them to the top of your head. That's all that I ask of you. So this is the inside of the wig. You have lace from ear to ear, although it doesn't go that far back once you leave the center of the wig. This is where you have the deepest parting space. Actually, this is a 4x4. The last one that I had was 13x6. This one is a 4x4. So this one has 4 inches, because I'm like, that's supposed to be 6 inches. Yes, not, you guys. It's a 4x4, but there's still a lot of parting space. This wig actually comes with 4 combs, 2 by the ears, 1 in the center of the wig, and then you have 1 near the nape area of the wig. This wig feels super comfortable. However, the last one that I tried on was kind of tight, so I had to use my wig grip to make sure that it didn't pull back. So I still have my wig grip on. You guys, don't judge it. Don't judge my wig grip, you guys. This has been through it. As you can tell, it's had glue, and you guys, don't judge my wig grip. It needs some nice tender love and care, and possibly a replacement, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and try this wig on, you guys. So excited. Why I'm making that face, I don't really know. Yeah, this one is tight as well. These wigs are not big head friendly. So this is what the wig is looking like with the lace still on. So this one I'm going to do a lift part in. I did that like it was going to look good or something. Anyhow, we gonna make this thing work. So let's get to it. Let's get into it. Oh, you thought I was finished? Okay guys, so this is the finished look that I decided to go with for the hairstyle. It's a new day. You see new makeup, new makeup, new outfit, hey, it wasn't working for me yesterday. I filmed the intro and the outro and I just wasn't feeling it. I didn't want to half step and bring you guys something that I didn't like. So I mean, I didn't redo the baby hairs or anything. They're still in the same position. It's still glued down from yesterday or sprayed down from yesterday. I didn't do anything different. I woke up, I made the middle part. I used my hot comb to flatten it down to the middle part, and I love it way more like this, you guys. It was just too humpy yesterday, and also I had it to this side, but it was just heavy. I felt like my neck was gonna start doing this, you guys, and that's no. The hair, the bang kept falling down into my face, and like I said, it was heavy. I just wasn't feeling it, so I did decide to go ahead and redo the hair and refilm the outro. So this is what the hair is looking like now, you guys, and I love it way more. It looks so realistic, so natural. You guys can't tell me that this does not look like some bundles. This don't look like some human hair. Like, come on. Oh my god, like, it's so gorgeous. And also, you guys, like I said, I did also change up the makeup. It looks way better today. So if you guys are interested in watching my makeup video, it should be up too, so make sure you guys go over and watch that so you can see how I achieved this natural look, this natural beat, you guys. I think it came out really great. It looks so good, especially with this hair. Like, nothing right now is doing too much, but at the same time, boy, I could walk into a room right now and I'm going to be the center of attention. I don't care what nobody says, baby. It still looks great. It all came together. So yeah, that is the finished look, and I am loving it. Yesterday I was very much so on the fence, and I'm knowing that when I opened the package that this hair was bomb, but it wasn't coming across that way when I was filming the tutorial. So I did change it up, and I love it way more. You guys should definitely go buy this unit now that I've got my middle part and it's not really bulky on the sides of my head. This hair right here, baby, 10 out of 10. Go get it. Go get it. It's gorgeous, you guys. I love it so much. Also, you guys, I have not experienced any shedding with this unit, but I have had a little bit of tangling from waking up this morning and trying to brush it out. I got a little bit of tangling at the ends, but that's to be expected with a longer unit. This one I'd say is probably like 20 inches. This is where it is on me, and I know I have on a black shirt, but I'm pretty sure you guys get the picture, and I am 5'9" if you guys need to know that for reference. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and supporting me, you guys. I would love it if you could hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends and family members. Until next time, bye!